Hi, welcome again to Pundit Excel. My name is �ฑ𝐤𝐵𝐻𝐵. In this short video, I will be demonstrating how easily you can integrate the Pundit Excel Picture Frame Builder into your spreadsheet. Let's start with what is it and what is it for. The Picture Frame Builder is one of many Pundit Excel app building tools designed to make you build world-class applications on Excel faster and without putting any effort. Keep an eye on my channel as I bring these tools to you one at a time. If you are an Excel application developer, an employee, or a freelancer, you need these tools to stay ahead of your competition, to present your applications in a way people can easily relate to. When you receive files from Pundit Excel, in the zip folder, you will find a demo file and a practice file. So open this practice file and follow along as I do this demo. If you get files from the internet, you are always prompted to enable macros and trust the file. So enable and trust the file. Now in this user form, you have two right-cornered images. If I run the user form right now, this is what you get. The images appear the same way as they were designed. Now to convert these images to round-cornered images, you will need the Pundit Picture Frame Builder. On your VBA editor, right-click anywhere on the Project Explorer or Site Navbar and then select Import File. Navigate to where you saved your files, select the file and import it to your project. The Pundit Picture Frame Builder is a class module, so check and see if you have a file named Pundit Picture Frame Builder under the class modules folder. Now back to the user form. We can now convert these images to round-cornered images. To do this, double-click on the user form and find its initialize event. In this event, declare a new instance of the Pundit Picture Frame Builder as follows: dim pic frame as new Pundit picture frame. This pic frame can be any variable, it's up to you. But as always, ensure that your variable name does not clash with existing system names and variables. To convert image 1 to a round-cornered image, I must write picframe.addFrameTo, press the space button and then write image 1. Now if I run the user form, you will notice that image 1 is now round-cornered, but image 2 is not. You see? It's easy. Now if I move the image and reduce its size, this image will always appear as round-cornered to the user. Great. Now let's convert image 2. As we did with image 1, I will also write picframe.addFrameTo, and this time I will write image 2. That's it. If I run the user form, you will notice that all my pictures are now round-cornered. Now let me show you the coolest thing. Look what happens if I stretch and overlay my images like this. Please note that the properties of my images are set to stretch, therefore they stretch easily. Now if I run the user form, look what I get. A beautiful overlay presentation. I did not even write an extra line of code to get this. All I did was to overlap my images. Now if I want my presentation to overlay the other way around, I must go back to the code editor and call the first image last, like so. If I run my user form now, you will notice that the overlay has gone in the other direction. I'm going to use the demo file for this demonstration because there is nothing else to learn except tricks that you already use. In this user form, I demonstrate a column presentation where you have an image and more information about the image. To get this layout, you must convert your images the same way I showed you before. Write additional information on a frame and then drag it to cover the bottom part of the image. That's it. The same applies to raw presentation. You must cover the right side of your image. Don't use anything other than a frame because frames always have a priority front, the order. Anything else will fall underneath the image. By default, when the image undergoes conversion, its Z order defaults to the front position. This is necessary for creation, targeting, and elimination. However, it also means that all controls except frames and pages will fall below the image. Therefore, if you have labels and other images on top of your target image as I have here, you must list them under the parameter called controls displayed above image, as I have done here. As you can see, if I comment out this list and then run the user form, those top controls will not show. However, if I come back here and list them one by one like so, they will all appear above the image. That's all you need to know about the Pundit Excel Picture Frame Builder. Please do your best to learn coding from the code. It is clear and not protected by any password. If you are struggling with how to write a clean VBA code, I have 2 courses that will put you on the right track. Please check out my website. You can find the link below this video. Take the courses and open your mind to VBA coding and code without limits. A link to where you can get your copy of the Pundit Excel Picture Frame Builder source file is also given in the video description below. Thank you. Watch the space for more Pundit Excel app building tools. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't hesitate to suggest what else I can build for you. See you soon.